YouTube, what's going on? Alright, so this video gonna be about the front cigarette lighters on your Cascadia. If they go out, how you gonna fix that? Pretty much you're gonna get you an Allen key, a Torx key, and take out your glove box. Let me see here. Alright, so yeah, you wanna pull out. There's two things. First off, you want to get one of these. You want to get one of these things right here. The Torx screw, whatever. So you can take out these four screws right here. These four screws right here. All right. And then once you get that out, it's gonna be this little cover that goes over this. If you've done any research on the Cascadia, you know that this is put there to keep water from coming in and shorten out your circuits and stuff. So make sure you put this back in so you don't have no problems. And then the fuses you're looking for is it's F7, no F6 and F7. And then I got a little diagram right here. So I'm going to be replacing these two right here. So it's a 15 amp fuse. Alright, so I'll replace the fuse, the bluer fuse, the dark blue fuse anyway. Alright, go ahead and put the cover on it. Make sure. Yep, we're getting money. Alright, let's try this one. Good money. That's it, y'all. All right, peace.